Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Milton Walker. Today marks the 17th straight day of gains for the Jamaican dollar against the US currency. At the close of trading today, the US currency was being sold for $127.21, the lowest it's been since August 22 last year. The price is currently 4.5% below the all-time high it reached in mid-September. As for the Canadian currency, it was selling for $101.81. Sterling cost $165.88, while the euro is going for $147.63. Bad debt in the nation's financial institutions declined by more than 17% in the 12 months to the end of June. The dip was realized as non-performing loans fell to under $18 billion. With the decline, non-performing loans now account for 2.7% of total loans in the system. Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances says it's starting to see significant strides in its push into the Dominican Republic. The company says its footprint in that market has increased. This comes as Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances reported record sales in its last financial year. The company recorded $410 million in sales in the period. The price of oil closed up today on expectations OPEC-led production cuts would be extended beyond March, although such gains are likely to spur more US production. Oil for delivery in December settled up 25 cents at $54.15 a barrel. That's the highest since February 23, 2017. Oil is up 10% in the last 16 days. The JC Market Index continued on its record-breaking run today, closing up more than 2,375 points at 294,842 points. The Junior Market Index also gained, going up 25 points. Among the stocks closing higher were AMG Packaging and Paper, Cable and Wireless, Grace Kennedy, Iron Rock Insurance, JMMB Group, NCB Financial Group, Sagicor Group, and Supreme Ventures. On the losing end were Barita Investments, CAC 2000, Carreras, Jamaican Teas, Lasco Manufacturing, Seprod, and T-Tech. That's the Business Day. I'm Milton Walker. Good evening.